are the most famous in Georgia. Let's go to the west of Middle East. West of Middle East are Sumerian, Semitic, and Indo-Aryan. Sumerian ancient civilization of West gatherers. Phoenicians, Hebrews, Aryans, Arabs are part of this group. Let's go to South Asia.
Ano man? Ano din?
South Asia inhabited the Mandas, Dravidians, and Indo-Aryans. Munda built a Neolithic civilization along Indus River. Indo-Aryans are